idea how much mitochondria this uses?
The mitochondria of the powerhouse of the cell. They can be found in all eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria turn chemical energy stored in food into compounds that are more convenient for the cells to use. They have two membranes, an outer and inner membrane. For humans, all the mitochondria came from the cytoplasm of the egg. Prokaryotic organisms contain no mitochondria. The surprising thing is that they contain their own genetic information with tiny DNA molecules.
Mitochondria has to be one of the most important parts of the cell. The energy they produce will have a cell full of energy. Cellular respiration is a process in which the organelles take the nutrients and make energy that is sufficient for the cell. Some cells need thousands of mitochondria, some don't need a lot, like nerve cells. For example, muscle cells need thousands upon thousands of mitochondria. Mitochondria contain a matrix, and in this matrix there are enzymes. You can think of mitochondria as almost a digestive system because it takes in the nutrients and just puts out better things that are more sufficient for the cell, like I was saying earlier.
Coming up next, we have centrioles. They look like a rigatoni, you know? They're mostly known as starting the process of meiosis and mitosis, which happens near the nucleus, and they're like a small set of microtubules, and there are only 9 sets of each. And they're found in animal cells, lower plants, the base of cilia and flagella, and eukaryotic cells, and aid in cell division by facilitating the separation of chromosomes.
In conclusion, mitochondria is very important for the process of powering the cell. You might say that they're the powerhouse of the cell. And centrioles are very important for starting the process of mitosis. Without these processes, most living things would not be able to gain energy. And if they could not do that, they could not live. So it is rather important.
And the best thing to take away from this is that centrioles are rigatoni.
The mitochondria are the power cell of house.